Hey there YouTube, welcome out to Mel's place. I didn't video this because, well, y'all seen professionals run a chainsaw. I didn't, because honestly I am far from being a professional. I cut a little firewood every now and then, but as far as actually running one, it doesn't happen much around here. But just a quick little video. I thought this was interesting. This white oak here was laid down by, oh, now why can't I draw the name up? That hurricane that came through North Carolina and set in North and South Carolina and set and dumped rain on us for 3 days. I think it was loosened up. It had some fringe. You can see the root ball doesn't have much on this side of it. That Matthew a couple of years ago got knocked over, and it came over this time. It's a lot bigger than it was I thought it was when I started cutting, and I've been hacking at it for months because it's now middle of January, the 18th, 19th today. I just thought it was interesting. I wanted 2 sections of it. This one right here, it's just over 16 feet long. We'll see if I can get some lumber cut out of it. And I have a section here, it's about 10 feet that I'm going to take it to the guy. If he says it's not worth cutting, I won't. There's a little more knot hole in it. Had a big section in the middle of it that it's the reason oaks make me nervous climbing them and all. Solid tree except for right there, the heartwood in it has got a pretty big mess in it, and I knew it did. This stick right here, I mean, I knew there was something going on. What I didn't realize was how far gone it was in a streak there, but not as bad as some. Anyway, what I really wanted to show y'all was how far up this trunk came when I got the rest of that big log, 16 feet long, this section over here, cut off of it. I knew it would come up, but there's a full axe head there. There's a couple inches past that. Anyway, like I said, just a short little video right here. So about 27 through the middle that way, and 26 or so that way. So maybe I can get me some good lumber out of it. Solid, it got more solid up. I cut out most of that bad spot. I got just a tiny little piece right here that's not quite there. But just want to share that with y'all this morning. Hope the new year is going well. Thanks for visiting. See you next time over at Mel's place.